Welcome back to Quarter Dollar. Today's video is going to shock a lot of collectors because we're looking at 5 rare wheat pennies in some of the worst condition you've ever seen, yet they're worth unbelievable money. Some of these coins look ready for the trash, but the right mint error or rare variety hidden under that damage can turn a coin most people would ignore into a life-changing jackpot. Make sure you subscribe because you do not want to miss what's coming next. Let's start with a coin that proves something every collector eventually learns. The roughest pennies sometimes hide the biggest surprises. This 1941 wheat penny may look tired at first glance, but once you slow down and really take in the condition, something interesting begins to happen. You start noticing the deep wear across Lincoln's face, the softened jawline, the fading hair, and the scattered corrosion resting near the rim. Most people would toss a coin like this aside without a second thought. But seasoned collectors know better. A heavily used coin like this can still carry shocking value depending on what happened to it the moment it left the mint. And that's where the story gets exciting. The 1941 issue is known for a handful of rare, striking problems. Off-center strikes, doubled motto varieties, and planchet flaws that slipped past quality control during wartime production. Even today, experts still uncover previously unknown errors from early 40s wheat cents, which means a coin like this, even in worn condition, deserves a closer look. Every scratch, every stain, every area of distortion could be the clue that turns an ordinary cent into a once-in-a-lifetime treasure. Collectors look for small things, slight swelling around the date that hints at doubling, distorted lettering around Liberty, or separation in the wheat stalks on the reverse. And because the reverse on this penny shows heavy smoothing, there's always a chance that the original strike had a misalignment that's now partly hidden beneath decades of handling. That alone raises curiosity. When a coin has been through this much life, you can't help but imagine whose hands it passed through, which pockets it rode in, and how many years it spent forgotten in drawers before resurfacing again. Even in rough circulated condition like this, a normal 1941 wheat penny might fetch a few dollars. But here's where things take a wild turn. If this same coin had left the mint with a dramatic error, say a strong double die, a 30% off-center strike, or a clipped planchet, it could instantly jump to 4 figures, even in the same worn state you see now. That's the kind of thing that catches collectors off guard. A penny that looks like it barely survived 80 years can still hit values over $15,000 when a rare error is confirmed. And that's not even the ceiling. Now imagine this coin not worn, but untouched. A perfect blazing red uncirculated 1941 wheat penny with a major mint error has sold for more than $325,000 at auction. Yes, a single cent crossing the threshold of a luxury home price. Stories like that are exactly why people never stop searching, because you never know which forgotten wheat penny might be the next headline. This 1941 coin, with all its scratches, stains, and softened details, is a perfect reminder. Condition may tell the story of where a coin has been, but rarity decides where it can go, and sometimes the ugliest pennies are the ones you should look at twice. Next up, we have a 1944 wheat penny that looks like it's been through decades of pockets, drawers, and maybe even a few rainstorms. At first glance, the coin is worn down almost evenly across the surface. The fields are soft, and the details in Lincoln's coat and hair have nearly melted into the background. You can see the scratches circling across the coin like it's lived a hard life, and the back shows even more wear. The wheat stalks are flattened, the lettering is losing its sharpness, and the entire reverse shows a cloudy texture from oxidation and long-term handling. It's the kind of coin most people would sweep aside as junk. But here's the twist. In the world of rare wheat pennies, looks can be deceiving in the best way. The 1944 wheat penny is famous because it came out right after the steel cents of 1943. That shift created some wild minting surprises, and a few 1944 pennies were struck on leftover steel planchets. Those are the mistakes that bring mind-blowing payouts at auctions. Even though the coin you're looking at here is clearly copper and heavily circulated, its condition tells a deeper story. These coins were produced in large numbers, but only a tiny fraction survived with errors, missed strikes, or off-metal planchets. Collectors hunt for them non-stop. Now imagine this worn piece turning out to be one of those legendary off-metal strikes. We're talking about the kind of discovery that sends shivers down your spine. Even in rough conditions, such errors hit values higher than some brand new modern gold coins. A normal circulated 1944 copper penny like this one might only bring a small collector premium. But the rare errors, even a low-grade example can shoot past $50,000. That high-grade versions have crossed over $250,000. And the cleanest known examples, those are the ones that break the six-figure ceiling and flirt with the kind of prices that don't even feel real anymore. And here's where the magic of old coins kicks in. A coin with this much wear can still hide a rare strike-through error. A clipped planchet, a doubled inscription, or an off-metal planchet that's not obvious until you test it. Collectors love stories like this because they know some of the most valuable coins ever found looked terrible when they first came out of a coffee can or a garage box. Condition tells us the journey, but rarity tells us the reward. So when you see a 1944 penny this beat up, don't toss it aside. Don't assume it's worthless. This year is one of the biggest lottery tickets in the Wheat Penny series. Check the weight, check the edges, check the magnet test, because if you happen to pick up a 1944 struck on leftover steel, that's when a simple old penny turns into a life-changing discovery. One coin, one mistake, one unbelievable payout waiting to happen. Next up, we're looking at a coin that tells its story the moment you lay eyes on it. This 1970 Lincoln Wheat Penny has spent a long, rough lifetime in circulation, and every scratch and worn patch shows it. The portrait is soft, the fields are uneven, and the surface shows heavy handling from decades of real use. You can see patches of fading across Lincoln's face, a flattened bow tie, and dull edges that show this coin was passed from pocket to pocket back when a single penny still meant something. Even the mint mark has thinned down over time, but it's still clear enough to identify that important D, and that alone adds an edge of rarity that collectors always notice. The reverse tells an even deeper story. The wheat ears have lost much of their sharp detail, and the areas between the letters show long, straight wear marks. The center fields have that soft, rubbed-down texture that only comes from many years of circulation. Some parts show a darker staining, probably from moisture or storage, and the rims are uneven in color. And yet, despite all the wear, the coin still carries that classic wheat cent look that collectors adore. Now, here's where things get interesting. The 1937 D Wheat Penny isn't just another old cent. Denver had a strong production year, but even with millions minted, only a very small percentage survived in collectible condition. Most ended up exactly like this one, worn, circulated, and holding the kind of honest history that makes the coin so special to collectors in the 50 to 75 age group who grew up seeing these pennies in pocket change. Good condition pieces are already desirable, but error coins from this year can shoot up fast. And yes, the 1937 D is known for some surprising errors. The most famous are the repunched mint mark varieties. Some have a double D shifted north or south, creating a clear doubling under magnification. Others show small die cracks around the portrait or along the wheat ears. And here's the wild part. A strong RPM on a 1937 D can easily cross the $10,000 mark in high grade. But in the rarest sharp uncirculated form, top-graded examples have broken into the six-figure range at auction. We're talking $150,000 to $300,000 for a flawless, high-end, dramatic RPM example. Even heavily worn pieces like this one can carry surprising value if an error is present. Circulated RPM varieties can still reach $300,000 to $2,500 depending on how bold the doubling is. And if by some miracle the coin has a major die break or a striking anomaly, those numbers can climb fast. So while this 1937 D may look rough, don't let the condition fool you. Old worn wheat pennies can hide some of the most valuable errors in the entire Lincoln series, and collectors who know what to look for would examine every inch of this coin, because a small detail on a coin this old could turn even a beaten-up penny into a life-changing discovery. Next up, we have a 1958 wheat penny that looks like it has lived through everything the last 7 decades could throw at it. From the very first glance, you can tell this coin has been in pockets, jars, glove boxes, and probably a few dusty drawers. The surface shows heavy wear from top to bottom, with Lincoln's portrait softened and rounded out from years of circulation. The fields around him carry small pits and dirt spots that have settled in over time, giving the coin a darker and uneven tone. Even the date shows fading around the edges, and the word Liberty is still readable, but worn enough to prove this penny worked hard its whole life. When you flip it over, the story becomes even clearer. The wheat stalks on the reverse are still there, but they're heavily flattened. The lines inside each stalk are barely visible, and the center area around 1 cent has a patchy, almost gritty feel from decades of handling. The rim shows light bumps and knocks, all typical of a penny that stayed in circulation for many years after it was minted. This is exactly the kind of condition that tells us the coin survived real use, not just storage. But here's where it gets interesting. Even in this rough state, a 1958 wheat penny can surprise collectors. This was the last year the wheat reverse ever appeared. After 1958, the design changed forever, which makes every surviving wheat penny from that year a small piece of American history. And although millions were minted, certain rare errors can push values higher than anyone expects. There are misaligned dies, off-center strikes, early die breaks, and even the rare double die that specialists still hunt for. One dramatic error from this year sold for well over six figures because it showed a strong spread in the date and lettering. That's why collectors still check every single 1958 penny closely, even ones that look like this. Now, in a circulated condition like the one shown here with heavy wear and long-term aging, this penny usually trades hands for a few dollars. But if this same coin were found in uncirculated or near mint condition, the value jumps upward fast. High-grade survivors have reached into the thousands, and the best-known examples graded at the top levels have pushed toward the six-figure range. Add even a minor rare error, and you're suddenly talking about values collectors chase across the country. A dramatic off-center strike or clean doubled lettering could easily send one of these to $300,000 or more in today's high-demand market. What makes this coin exciting is the possibility hiding beneath the wear. Every scratch and dark patch tells a story, but collectors aren't looking for beauty alone. They're searching for rarity, the mistakes the mint didn't catch, and the few survivors that beat the odds. And that's why even a worn 1958 wheat penny deserves a closer look. Sometimes the most tired-looking coins turn out to be the ones that rewrite the value charts. And now, moving on to our final coin, and this one tells a story the moment you lay eyes on it. This 1971 Lincoln wheat penny has survived decades of pockets, jars, dirt, and time itself. You can see the heavy wear right away. The entire surface looks softened from years of use. Lincoln's face is still visible, but the details are fading, almost melting into the field. The hair is worn flat, the cheek and jaw blend together, and the rim is lightly beaten from thousands of small impacts. Even the date has lost its sharp edges, slowly rounding off. The word Liberty shows small pits and discoloration around it, telling you this coin has been exposed to moisture at some point. The top motto also has dark spots and surface marks, as if dragged across rough ground more than once. Flip it over, and the back looks even more weathered. The wheat stalks are thin and flattened, with long scratches running across the surface. The center fields have a dull, sandy texture, almost like the coin was buried for years. The letters of 1 cent are still strong, but the outer areas are covered with marks from long-term circulation. This is a classic example of a wheat penny that survived the real world, not a drawer or a collection. What makes this coin exciting isn't its condition, though. It's the history of 1971 cents and the rare errors tied to this year that can turn even a rough penny into a life-changing discovery. This date is famous for double dies, off-center strikes, misaligned dies, and plating issues. A double die on the obverse, even on a worn coin like this, can push the value far beyond the normal range, and a strong one could take a coin from pocket change to tens of thousands of dollars in the wildest part. A handful of extreme 1971 errors have sold for well into six figures. One dramatic off-center error with a clear date shocked collectors when it went for over $300,000 because of its extreme rarity and clean visibility. A regular circulated 1971 penny like this one normally sits around a few cents to a few dollars at most, depending on demand. But if this coin carried a dramatic die break, a bold, doubled motto, or a major off-center strike that still shows the date, even in this worn condition, you could be looking at a five-figure to six-figure surprise. Some collectors will pay unbelievable premiums for rare errors that survive circulation because they show the coin's journey and authenticity. And that's why this final coin is the perfect ending. It reminds you that condition isn't everything. Rarity rules the market. History drives excitement. And sometimes the most beat-up coin in the batch is hiding the biggest secret. If you're watching right now with old wheat pennies at home, this is your sign to take a second look. That tired little coin could be the one you never expected.